to show you guys where I got my design from. The original design is no longer available. I went to my download history and it's this kawaii bus design and I can't find it. It says page not available. So instead, I'm going to offer 3 other designs that I found that could work, and you're welcome to use the links in my description. The first one is awesome, but there's a lot of detail, which is why it's awesome, but that would also be a nightmare to weed. So if you're doing vinyl, I would suggest not using this one. You can do this one for a direct-to-film transfer or a screen print. The next one is super simple, which would be great for vinyl transfer. And the third one is the most similar to my original design. So you're welcome to download that and use that. And I love that it's got the same like front end and the similar wheels and everything, and it's not super detailed. So those are the 3 designs you can use. Now onto the vinyl. This vinyl is DecoSPARKLE from Specialty Materials. It is so beautiful in the sun. I love it because it doesn't flake off like the glitter vinyls do. It's more like a holographic pressed glitter. Anyways, it's amazing. These are the silhouette cutting settings, or you can use the Cricut and the Graphtec. I think I adjusted my blade and my pressure just a little bit. And they have lots of color options. I believe the one I used was black or the dark blue. I have used several of these before and they're amazing. And my students really enjoy looking at them. You're going to press at 300, 10 to 12 seconds, and peel cold. You're going to wash inside out, gentle cycle, tumble dry low, no dry cleaning or ironing. And then if you're going to layer it, this can be used as a top layer, not a first layer